Hello there, it's Paul from dronesgear.com, and I've heard you might want a cheap, under $100 drone that also has GPS and pretty good building materials. Look no further, because the Funsky 913 has surprised me like no other. I have reviewed it on the site too, if you want to check the article there with the pros and cons and other notes I made. First of all, I did not expect it to come in such a high quality carrying box. I swear it's the same quality as the one the Phantom 4 from DJI came in. You can use this to carry it around in a professional manner without having any issues for protection. The controller is quite compact and with an internal integrated battery that can be charged through microUSB. The buttons are easy to understand. Being a GPS drone, it obviously has a return to home button, which is great, and two easily accessible camera buttons at the top. It has a sport mode, and you can also turn on or off the GPS at any time. This is the drone itself, and it's quite hard to make you understand, but this quadcopter screams quality for some reason. It's solid and the plastic it's made of is very durable and high quality. The camera can manually swivel a bit, which can be useful. These are some LED bands that look really cool at night and even in daylight. The battery can be locked down easily and removed just as easy. It can fly for about 12 minutes, which is not bad at all. What's most surprising about this is the brushless motors and very unique propellers. Brushless motors are considered more expensive than toy-grade brushed ones. When it comes to the propellers themselves, they're also three-bladed, which means it's gonna take less power from the motors to simply fly this drone, and it's going to be faster overall. The Funsky 913 is also legal to fly without a permit in the USA, as it's under 250 grams. You can connect a microSD card in the back of the drone and then start recording. Remember that you can only see the live feed footage after you connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone with your phone. But this is a 5G drone, which means you'll need a phone capable of doing 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Search for your phone brand and 802.11 AC on Google to see if you can handle it. If you don't have it, you will still be able to fly the drone, but you won't be able to see the footage. The image quality from the drone is simply outstanding. It flies very steady, and thanks to that, it looks like it has a gimbal or something. The colors are really great, and I'm also happy with the 1080p camera for this price. You can also put it in sport mode, and it's a lot of fun to fly it that way. But keep in mind, you won't get the most stable footage. I really like this drone, and I think I'll be keeping it for myself, as it's very portable, fast, and the most important thing of all, super silent. These propellers and motors really make a very pleasant sound that's not annoying like most other drones, and I love it. The Funsky 913 can also take photos if that's something you're interested in, but they're not better than the video itself. This is going to definitely make it in my top drones under $200 list. If you want to check the entire list, go right here in the corner or check the description below. If you're still undecided what to choose or have a specific budget, go on the link at the top or the one in the description to check my top drones in each price category, from under $50 up to $1,000 and more. However, if you're really specific about the specs you want on your drone, go and check the drones for sale tool that you can find over here or again in the description. There you can filter the drones by price, battery life, range, camera, gimbal stabilization, and even by weight to see if you have to register the drone in your country or not. Don't forget to check the next recommended video for you right here, check the drones for sale tool right here, or if you want, you can subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you later, alligator!